How to make money from pictures. Whether you're an amateur or a professional photographer, selling images is a terrific way to make money online. The best part is that selling images online does not have to be a full-time career. From stock photography, websites, to internet marketplaces. It's now easier than ever to convert your photography hobby into a side hustle. We will go over a few steps in this video of Money World to help you sell images online. But if you're new to Money World, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Choose a photography niche. Photos are among the most profitable digital things to sell on the internet. The first stage in attracting potential consumers is to decide what you will specialize in. If you haven't decided on a niche yet, spend some time experimenting with various photographic approaches. It's a good idea to examine the most popular photography trends and figure out what clients want in the industry. Keyword research to examine search traffic connecting to a photographic style is another good approach for determining the most profitable niche. Here are some good examples of images to sell online. People portraits work well for general interest websites, posters, and even billboards. Images with an office theme work well for a website landing pages and advertising flyers. Food photos are very valuable. They are used for advertising and publishing. Architectural photographs of famous landmarks and structures are popular on travel blogs, hotel websites, and even in schools. Images of objects are utilized everywhere. Many company owners seek single subject pictures of books, clothes, or some other goods to include on their product sites. Capturing nature would make you wealthy. Images of flowers, landscapes are popular selections for photo prints and tourism sites. Choose an e-commerce platform. There are several methods of selling images online. Maybe you wish to create your own photographic website, rely on a stock agency, or join a marketplace community. A sense, there are two types of e-commerce platforms: stock photography websites and non-stock photography websites. Selling your images on a stock site is promising substitute because they normally handle everything from web hosting and sales to marketing. Getty Images, Deposit Photos are two well-known examples. You have more control over your photographs, branding on a non-photography website. You may virtually sell any photo, utilize numerous image formats, and establish your own pricing as long as you respect the platform's community standards. Attract an audience. Being active on social media is an excellent method to grow your audience and produce more leads for your internet photography business. If you want to keep your old profiles, cleaning them up is an important aspect of your branding plan since it ensures that your online presence appropriately portrays your profession. Create a separate profile to highlight your greatest photographic work and utilize hashtags to improve visibility. Use a social media specific tools such as hashtags to gain ideas and insights into hot items or subjects in your industry. It's also a good idea to set up accounts on several social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn in order to reach as many people as possible. Money World has brought a list of some top websites where you can sell your pictures. Alamy. To begin selling stock photographs, we recommend starting with Alamy. For 2 years, their student contributor plan pays you 100% of the sale prices of your photographs. Images on Alamy normally sell for around £65 per image. However, photographs can fetch anything from £15 to £316 on their usage. If you aren't a student or your university isn't registered, the reward is still respectable, 50% for Alamy exclusive photographs. Selling phone photos using their Stockimo app gives you a 20% share. Pickfair. It has a unique twist as on this site you determine how much your photographs will sell for. Of course, the lower the price you set, the more probable it is that people will buy your photographs. However, if you have any high quality photos that demand high fee, this site is great. Pickfair takes a 20% share, but the sales price you specify is what you earn if your image sells. I am. It is a photo sharing site, however you can also trade your photographs through the marketplace if you want to earn more than likes. You'd get between 25% and 55% of picture sales. You may also upload photographs via the web or your phone. FOP. It is designed for phone photographers and everything is done through the app. You can make money through this app. FOP also holds frequent missions in which you may submit images on a certain subject for a chance to win extra money and rewards. Dreams Time. It provides exclusive contributors with discounts of up to 60%. The price of your photo rises as it is downloaded more. Start with the free Dreams Time app if you're selling photographs captured on your phone. Getty Images. It has grown to be one of the world's leading stock and editorial photography websites. You may sell your photographs on Getty Images for hundreds of dollars. It might be difficult to gain access to Getty Images because of its exclusive position. You must submit 6 photographs to apply. Getty then decides if your item is suitable for Getty. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the most well-known stock picture marketplaces. The amount you earn for each photo is determined by the type of license or subscription you have as well as your lifetime earnings. When you start as a Shutterstock contributor at first, you'll only earn 15% on each image sold. The higher the percentage you earn, the more you sell in a year. However, this resets at the start of each calendar year, and you'll be back to earning 15% for every image until you sell more. Big Stock. It contains all the functionality you would expect from a micro stock platform. On the surface, it appears to be similar to Shutterstock, Dreams Time, or iStock. Its credit system, however, distinguishes it. As a result, selling images online through this platform is also unique. People can purchase stock photographs using conventional payment methods. They do, however, earn credits that they may use to purchase further stuff from the site. That implies you have 2 options for earning money. You gain a set amount if consumers buy photographs online using credit. As more people download your stuff online, its price rises and so does your commission. Canva. The website is one of the easiest to use graphic design editing tools available. It offers drag and drop capabilities. Canva, unlike traditional stock photography provides, make it simple for users to purchase images. Users only need to drag and drop the images. Then all they have to do is click the buy button to get rid of the watermark. Because of Canva's ease of use, there's a lot of opportunity for you to earn money. They are always expanding and seeking for fresh stock images to sell to millions of users. You may apply on the website and publish your stock photographs. However, they frequently request that their contributors picture special work for them. There are some other sites where you can make money through your picture, but Money World brought you a friendly, easy, and frequent website. Before you move for any other money-making video on Money World, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss your upcoming videos.